So my 5-year-old asked, "Why do you and Dad make weird noises at night?" A very awkward question, but here's what I said. I told him that sometimes when Mom and Dad love each other very much, they like to hug each other really tight and say nice things to each other. And sometimes when they do that, they make weird noises because they are so happy and excited. It's kind of like when you play with your friends and you laugh and scream and have fun. Mom and Dad are just having fun too in their own way. They are not hurting each other or anything, don't worry. They are just expressing their love for each other. And sometimes they make a baby too, like you. Isn't that amazing? Let me know in the comments how you would answer this question.